Today I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know in order to be able to elytra mace. So for elytra macing, all I suggest is you need about 1 keybind. So I always have my mace in my first square, which F goes to my first square. And then if you want to attribute swap, like go up and attribute swap with your spear to get more reach and stuff like this, then you need to turn your third slot into R. And then you got the wind charges in the middle. And I also suggest to have your elytra and firework rockets very close. So it's very easy and it works well. But my suggestion to start is to do slash tick rate about, if you're just starting, like 15 or 14. But if you're like, if you know what you're doing, then like maybe like 17. But then you're just gonna equip your elytra, fly up, take off your chest plate, turn around, put on your elytra, and firework rocket towards your opponent, and then just put on your chest plate, and then swap over to your mace, and then just click on it. Then you don't have to do the firework rockets in between. You can just do the normal stuff. And over time, once you master this, you might miss a couple times because, especially if like you're like an actual elytra macer and you're just trying out my video, you might miss a couple times because you're used to the faster stuff. And then over time, you'll get really good at going nice and slow. And then you can, I also suggest to just go into super fat world and do it against the big slimes. But once you get good enough, you can just do slash tick rate and bring it up to like 18 once you're pretty good. And now this feels like the normal game, except your elytra is moving slower. And you don't really like visibly see a difference, and you can also start to add fireworks in between all of them and stuff like that. It's really useful. And then once you get ready, and you're ready, and you look something like this, you can move up to the normal tick rate, which is 20. So you're just going to do tick rate 20, and now you're ready. And now I suggest to practice on the bigger slimes and then move your way down to the smaller slimes. It works really well. But my suggestion is not to do these itty bitty ones, but you can do these medium ones here. These medium one and the big ones. Those are best to practice on. And you can also learn how to attribute swap, but that's for a different video. Like attribute swapping with the spear. It's really useful, especially for going up if you want more reach. But macing is great for like PvP, especially if you're PvP in like a server where like no one really has all that good of gear. And you don't have to put the firework rockets in between everything. I just do because it deals a lot more damage. But that's basically all you need to know. It is going to take a couple hours to get it done. And it's also going to feel weird to be pressing F every time that you're coming down. But it's worth it, especially in PvP. And then, like, I also suggest that you just do diamond armor and stuff like that. But other than that, that's basically all I got for you. So if you're new, you're going to start at 14 tick rate, then move up to 18 once you're familiar with it. And then you can go up to the normal speed, and you should be doing pretty good at that point. So please subscribe. It would really help me, and it's free. So bye.